Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your Sarasota real estate agent. I'm at Vinterra. This is a brand new Taylor Morrison community down in Nokomis, Florida. They're building townhomes here. We're gonna go take a tour. As you can see, I'm in the car. I'm outside of Vinterra, the newest townhome community by Taylor Morrison in Nokomis, Florida. We're going to take a quick tour, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm going to be happy to set up a private tour for you and get you registered here for a brand new 3-bedroom townhome. Vinterra offers 2 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath floor plans here, right around the $350,000 mark. And both models are between about 1,400 and 1,600 square feet. They're both over 2 stories and have a garage attached. There's also the amenities here that are coming into view on the drone shot. Get this nice resort style pool. It is a gated community, so you don't have to worry about any riffraff. Likewise, we're just about 10 minutes to the beach. Lots of shopping and activities around in the ever-growing Nokomis area. If you're not familiar with Taylor Morrison, they are a national builder, very well known. Right across the street, they actually have their single family community called Palmero. So if you're interested in that, also don't forget to give me a call. I mean, these are the townhome section, but I also do a lot of the single family sales. Likewise, here in the townhomes, I mean, they kind of streamline the process for you. So everything is pre-packaged. The designers have selected the countertops, tile, cabinets, flooring, and other finishes, which kind of streamlines the process for you, but also saves you money too. If you are looking for more customization, this is probably not the right community. But in that regard, we're going to take a look inside the units so you can get a good idea of what to expect if you do want to purchase here. As I mentioned, there are 2 floor plans. There's the Jasmine, which we're going to take a look at first, which is the smaller inside units. And there's the Marigold, which is the corner units on all of these buildings, which is slightly larger and slightly more expensive. Here we go with the Jasmine. Enjoy the tour. And now time for the other unit. This is the Marigold. Let me know if you have any questions. So there you go. That is Vinterra, this newest Taylor Morrison townhome community in Nokomis, Florida. We're about 10 minutes from the beach, so really affordable option if you want a 3-bedroom townhome in Southwest Florida. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'll set up a private tour for you, and we'll get you registered and on the list to build here. Look forward to working with you.